Introduction to Athens ****. In the heart of ancient Greece, Athens emerged as a beacon of cultural and political innovation. It was a city unlike any other in its time, where art and philosophy flourished alongside burgeoning political ideals. The story of Athens in the Golden Age is one of extraordinary transformation and pioneering achievements. Geographical setting ****. Nestled near the Aegean Sea, Athens was strategically located. Its climate and terrain made it perfectly suited for trade and agriculture, which became vital components of its economy. The geographic attributes allowed Athens to flourish and expand its influence across the Mediterranean world. 3. The rise of city-states. Athens was just one of many Greek city-states, each of which had its own government and way of life. This segment explores how the concept of the polis, or city-state, rose to prominence and how Athens started asserting its superiority among its peers. 4. The influence of mythology. Greek mythology played a central role in Athenian life, shaping the cultural and moral framework. Gods and goddesses were deeply woven into the fabric of society, influencing political and recreational activities. Understanding mythology provides insight into the spiritual and social values of Athens during its Golden Age. 5. Societal structure and slavery. In Athens, the societal structure was complex, with a clear hierarchy that consisted of citizens, metics, foreign residents, and slaves. Slavery was an integral part of Athenian society, affecting its economy and social dynamics significantly. 6. The assembly. At the heart of Athenian democracy was the assembly, where free male citizens gathered to discuss and decide on crucial matters of the state. This system set a precedent that would echo through future democracies worldwide. 7. The role of philosophers. Great thinkers like Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle hailed from Athens. Their ideas on governance, ethics, and philosophy were revolutionary and deeply impacted both contemporary and future societies. This segment examines the intersection of philosophy and politics in Athens. 8. Economic innovations. Athens witnessed significant economic growth during its Golden Age. Innovations in trade practices, including the use of coinage, promoted economic stability and furthered Athenian prosperity. 9. Cultural flourishing. The Golden Age was a period of immense cultural growth with advancements in drama, sculpture, and architecture. The Athenians prioritized public art and architecture, as epitomized by the construction of the Parthenon. 10. The political reforms of Solon. Solon was a seminal figure whose reforms laid the groundwork for Athenian democracy. His sweeping changes reduced the power of the aristocracy and provided new opportunities for broader political participation. 11. Cleisthenes and the birth of democracy. Often hailed as the father of Athenian democracy, Cleisthenes engineered the political structure that enabled broader civic involvement and laid the foundation for democratic ideas. 12. The Persian Wars. This pivotal period showcased Athens' resilience and strategic genius. The wars against Persia not only revealed the military prowess of Athens but also reinforced its unity and democratic values. 13. The Delian League and Athenian Empire. After the Persian Wars, Athens forged the Delian League, a coalition that advanced Athenian dominance throughout the ancient world. The transformation from leader to imperial power held both opportunities and challenges for Athens. 14. Pericles and the Golden Age. Under Pericles' leadership, Athens entered its most prosperous and culturally rich era. His vision and policies were instrumental in shaping Athens into a symbol of political and cultural excellence. 15. Theater and dramatic arts. The evolution of theater during the Golden Age was a pinnacle of Athenian culture. Playwrights like Sophocles and Aristophanes created masterpieces that were not only entertaining but also socially and politically impactful. 16. The daily life of Athenians. Discover the daily lives of Athenian citizens, from the activities of children to the roles of men and women in society. It provides a window into the everyday world that supported such a grand civilization. 17. Education in Athens. Education was crucial for young Athenians, especially for boys, who were taught literature, philosophy, sports, and military skills. This grounding enabled them to participate effectively in civic life. 18. Women in Athenian society. Athenian society was predominantly male-dominated, but the role of women, although limited in the public sphere, was significant in maintaining domestic harmony and supporting the family structure. 19. Artistic innovations. Beyond sculptures and architectural masterpieces, there were significant advancements in pottery and painting. These artistic endeavors not only reflected society but also contributed to its prestige. 20. Tensions and rivalries. The rise of Athens also brought tensions, both internally and externally. Rivalries with other city-states and internal disputes often threatened its stability. 21. Influence of religion. Religion permeated every aspect of life in Athens. Temples and religious festivals were central, with many events showcasing the interconnectedness of faith and society. 22. Athens at war. Athens was frequently at war, which had profound implications for its citizens and its economy. War strategies and effects on society are explored in this segment. 23. The Peloponnesian War, a defining conflict between Athens and Sparta. The Peloponnesian War led to massive societal change and the eventual decline of Athens as a dominant power. 24. The decline of democracy. Following the turmoil of war, the once flourishing democracy waned. Political power struggles and societal dissatisfaction were symptomatic of its decline. 25. Legacy of Athenian democracy. Despite its fall, Athenian democracy left an indelible mark on the world, laying foundational ideas that would be revisited and revived in later centuries. 26. The modern intersection. The principles of Athenian democracy continue to resonate in modern political systems around the world. This segment reviews how ancient ideas have influenced today. 27. Archaeological discoveries. Recent archaeological finds have shed new light on Athens' Golden Age, providing a more comprehensive understanding of its people and culture. 28. Ancient texts and historiography. Study ancient texts by historians like Herodotus and Thucydides, who documented Athens' Golden Age, providing insight into daily life and significant events.